I'm here. I'm here. Took me a minute. I have a surprise for you. Look what I'm wearing.
That's my team.
My Chiefs sweatshirt. And look at this. I got you a present. Today's Ron's birthday. And so I got him a present. You can still be Santa, but we are supporters here in Kansas City. What'd you bring me today?
A birthday present.
A birthday present. All right. Oh, I love this one. So you guys know I'm not a waster, right? And what do you do with all those old blades that you know, those old rotary blades? Well, this is a thread saver. So you put your blade inside here and it's going to cut all your little threads. And you're right, it's thread cutter. So this is such a cool thing because you can use your old rotary blades in here because they still have good cut left, you know, but maybe they're not cutting your fabric great, but you can use them in here. The 45 millimeters are the ones that fit. We had it made in a special color just for you. It's exclusive to the box. And you'll be able to cut all those threads in between your chain piecing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this. This is a really fun, practical thing. And you guys know how practical I am. Anyway, happy birthday to you, my love.
Thank you.
And we will see you tomorrow.